farming, man.
What's going on, guys, and welcome to a new video of Hood Dig. Today is the day that the Lexus Is200 comes out. I am so pleased with this whip. I've just got this car MOT at a local garage. We bought this car about 3 years ago since we had the YouTube channel. We got this car ready for Driftland. We still haven't uploaded that video yet. To cut the story short, the Lexus Is200 is out. We're going to be making content on this car throughout the whole winter. The winter beta for drifting. As you can see, the hood's come off, the stig's going to come off, but that's going to stay on. So far it's so good. I haven't done anything, although the bumper is starting to come off. See, there's a few dents and dings from, you know, a bit of practice to the Lexus. The front driver's side caliper is seized up, which we need to sort out. I believe it needs a new radiator, but apart from that, the car is good. For the people who didn't know about this car that we had at the start of the channel, it's on coilovers and this eBay steering wheel on there. But apart from that, the car is fully stock. But now that we know the car is back, it's only right that we have some fun tonight. We are going to meet a few friends to go drifting practice at a local private area and a private roundabout. So just stay tuned, everybody. This car's even got heated seats, would you believe it? Let's turn that on because it's so cold right now. Forecasting snow in the West Midlands. I'm not gonna lie, but I am so gassed about this car. I've got to overtake this car. So it's still got a bit of pull in this whip. It's a 2 litre straight 6, so it has got a nice sound to the car. So whilst I'm driving, I can hear the vibration in the steering wheel. So while I'm driving normally, I can hear it go woo 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 woo. It's like a hub, but it's not. It's a seized caliper. Right, I gotta overtake this. I ain't gonna make it. He's cut me up. Good old Lexus rear-wheel drive welded diff. See that? Vibrating left and right. See that? It's like shaking like crazy. First gear is boom. Here we go. Here we go. Easy work. Come on, gaffer. Are they coming? Come on. Boy. Second gear. Let's go. Second gear. Come on. Boy. It's working, second gear is. Ooh. Oh my god. Whoa! Fix myself. Crossy, come on. Whoa. Ooh. Are they still going? One more practice. More power. More power. I got the second gear lock. Alhamdulillah. MashaAllah. Let's go back. Let's call it a day. So I'm chasing Crossy. Look at the exhaust. That's it. Boy. I need to go more inner. Boy. Woo. Oh man, that was crazy, that was. Whew. Oh yeah, you're gonna?
Yeah, I'm gonna try and catch it though. That's what I'm on the problem.
Oh my days. You're not far from it, man. What the hell? Oh my days, it's right there, man. Yikes. Jeez. You had to do that, innit? Because he was going so slow. Jeez, man. Smashed it, man. Sounds that was nice as well, that does. Yo! Jeez. Oh. Oh, man, yo, jeez! Jeez. Oh my days! Yo, man! Too easy, man, too easy! Look at the control on that! Oh, bro, man, that was mad, that was. Alright, so we have made it back to the HQ, guys. So if you guys enjoyed that video, drop a like, drop a comment, tell me what you guys want to see on the Lexus. Any some little cheap little mods that we can do, give me a shout. And like as always, keep safe, look after your family. See you guys next video. Peace.